Hello student, today we will discuss the new topic, that is rainwater harvesting from open space around building. So here you can see in this picture, like when the rainwater is coming from the atmosphere, you can see we put a percolation pit, which is concrete slab covered with hole, and that percolation pit is contain a gravel, sand, broken bricks. When the muddy water, rainwater, comes under it, the mud will stuck the broken bricks, gravels, and the fresh water or the water come out from the outlet pipe, which is stored in the well, that is called recharge well. Okay, so so again the rainwater comes under the soil, which helps to balance the water. So let's discuss how it's made, like what are the structure of that rainwater harvesting. The rainwater harvesting from the open space around the building in a city is done by constructing percolation pit covered with concrete slab having hole in them and connected to recharge well through a pipe. The recharge well is about 1 meter in diameter and 3 meter deep. The rainwater falling in the open space around the building goes into the percolation pit through the holes in its concrete slab. So when basically the recharge well has a diameter 1 meter and its deep is length, or we can depth, or if we can say the height of the recharge well is almost around 3 meter. So when the rainwater comes under the ground, or we can say comes under the percolation pit, which is concrete slab covered with holes, small holes through which the water comes in it, and then after filtration in percolation pit, the rainwater enter the recharge well through the outlet pipe and gradually seep into the soil. Purpose. What are the purpose of rainwater harvesting? The main purpose of rainwater harvesting is not to hold the rainwater on the surface of earth, but to make rainwater percolate under the ground more efficient, so as to recharge the groundwater. So what are the main purpose? No, it's not only to hold the rainwater on the surface of the earth, but it also percolate under the ground or more efficient, so as recharge the ground or balance the water. The next one is rainwater harvesting, is that it increases the availability of groundwater and helps in overcoming water storage. So thank you for today. Bye bye and have a good day.